We are nearly halfway through 2024 and the real estate market's been shifting like crazy. If you're wondering what's going on right now and if it's a good time for you to buy or sell, I'm going to break it all down for you right now in the National Market Update. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Melissa Albert, proudly representing eXp Realty and the Living in Kentucky team. So let's dive into it right now. Zoocasa recently came out with some interesting information, and they looked at the new listing data of April 2024 across 30 major U.S. cities. The SNLR, or sales to new listing ratio, was used to help identify the supply and demand of each area. Now, if the SNLR was under 40%, it suggested a buyer's market where there's more homes available and buyers have more options. If the SNLR was between 40 and 60%, it suggested a balanced market where supply and demand are balanced and buyers and sellers can both have some flexibility when it comes to negotiations. And at SNLR over 60%, well, that represented a seller's market where the demand outpaces the supply, benefiting the sellers. And here are the findings of the data. As you can see, we have a mixed market nationally. City to city, the markets are varying, with more major markets shifting from a seller's market to a balanced market. And that means there's more opportunities for both buyers and sellers to negotiate terms they can both be happy with. While we don't have any buyer's markets currently, there are opportunities for savvy buyers working with a skilled agent to find deals and negotiate concessions with sellers. With the market continuing to shift, it's more important than ever to have representation of a specialist who understands your specific market and can help you navigate through the data to get you the most favorable terms. My team and I would be happy to connect with you and assist you with finding an expert in your area. See the description below for our contact information, and don't forget to subscribe to the Living in Kentucky team channel for more on the latest real estate trends. Until next time, I'm Melissa Albert. Let's make your next move a winning one.